Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to check whether a number is prime or not using Python. This is a very important program for beginners and interviewers. Don't worry, I will explain each line clearly and slowly. Let's start. First I will explain what is a prime number. A prime number is a number that is divisible by only one and itself. For example, 2, 3, 5, and 7 are prime numbers, right? If a number is divisible by any other number, then it is not prime. Okay, next let's start. Next I will type num equals to 7. Here I am storing the number 7 in a variable called num. This is the number we want to check. And next I will type for I in range of 2, num and colon. This is a for loop. The loop starts from 2 and goes till num minus 1. Because every number is divisible by 1, we start checking from 2. And next I will type if num %i equals to 0 colon. Here we are checking division. The percent means the operator gives the remainder. If the remainder is 0, it means the number is divisible. And next I will type print of not prime. If the number is divisible by any value of I, then the number is not prime. So we print not prime. And next I will type break. Why I am using break means the break statement stops the loop immediately, because once we know it is not prime, there is no need to check further. And else, this why I am using else here means this else belongs to the for loop, not the if statement. This else block runs only if the loop completes without break. And next I will print of prime. If the loop finishes and no number divides num, then the number is prime, so we print prime. Okay, and in this example the number is 7. See here, 7 is not divisible by any number except 1 and 7, so the output will be prime, right? Before only I said you the prime numbers is 2, 3, 5 and 7 are prime numbers. 7 or I got here 7 is not divisible by any number except 1 and 7, so the output will be prime. Okay, and that's it for today's video. If you understood this program, please like the video, subscribe to my channel and comment if you have any doubts. The next video I will explain more Python programs. Thank you.